Driving lesson number 3 with Kaillah, we worked on straight line backing and other maneuvers required for her driving test, which was the next day. She was having a little bit of challenges with all of that, but it improved her driving overall. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information.
Stop. That 2 is an automatic fail on a driver's test.
Well, I saw him, but I was gonna stop.
Okay.
Are we going to exit?
No, we'll follow that car around. Okay, so under 20 in a parking lot.
Okay.
Anytime you're in close quarters like this, yeah, try and go less than 20.
Mm-hmm. Do you have to signal in a park?
You should, yes.
Here, straight?
Yeah, straight. And then go left at the controlled intersection.
Okay.
Yeah. No, again. Okay, now you're gonna have to pull in beside that car.
Yeah. Sorry.
You're gonna have to pull into this first lane.
Okay. Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna sit here forever. Yes. Not now.
After this, oh, there's a lot of cars today. Let me see. Can I go?
Now you can. Just remember, it's going to be this busy tomorrow morning.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
If it's like that, like...
That's fine. That's fine. Now, which lane should you
Like
be
when
in?
you're ready. Right.
Okay, turn right at the intersection. Remember, right lane. When it goes 1 to 2, get over into the right lane.
Okay. If I full stop on the red light, I can scooch a little bit.
Yeah, you can. And if you're not comfortable going on a red, you can wait for the green. We're going to go right at the roundabout. Okay, you don't need to move over like that.
Oh, okay.
Just make sure that they're staying in their lane, and then
I noticed that some people don't use their signal on. We're just going straight through.
no, we're going that way. We're going right.
I noticed some people don't use hand signals on a roundabout.
No, a lot of people don't use signals. But you want to signal just as you would at a conventional intersection. So we're going to go left here. You don't have to stop. Those are yield signs.
Okay.
You only have to stop to give way to vehicles in the roundabout. Now we're going left.
Here?
Yes. I said yesterday, a couple of kilometers an hour is okay, but when you're 10, when you're wandering 10 up and down above the speed limit, they're probably not going to pass you for that. It's just you're too unpredictable to other traffic.
And this is where it ends, right?
We're going to go right at the intersection. Now that solid white line, you can't cross over
Oh,
that.
no?
You're now sitting in the bike lane. Okay, solid white lines, don't cross.
Even though you're gonna turn right.
Even though you get it, you still got to stay out of it. Okay, where's the stopping position here?
I have to be there.
No.
What do you mean?
There's 3 stopping positions at a stop sign. Is there a stop line?
No.
Is there a sidewalk?
No.
Then where do you stop? At the edge. Not stop sign doesn't have anything to do with it.
Okay.
At the edge, just
Oh,
before.
at the edge of the
Yeah,
curb?
just before entering the intersection.
Oh, if there's no line or crosswalk?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, see this alley right here? So pull over to the left here. You're going to back down that alley. Okay, so the other thing is look forward to see whether your vehicle's straight. That'll help you with your backing. Keep going.
Oh, keep going. Oh,
All the way. Slow down, slow down. You're going a little hot there. Okay, you can't use your mirrors. You gotta look out the back window. Slow down, slow down. Too fast. You're too fast. You're going too fast. Slow down. If something happens, you're not gonna have time to react. Okay, you're too far my way. You're way too far my way. No, no, no. Stop, stop, stop. You see that?
Yeah.
You're going this way. You need to get over that way. So pull ahead. So look forward, Kaillah. Are you in the center of this lane?
No.
No. So you need to get your vehicle in the center of this lane. There's a big pile of concrete right here. So you need to get your back end over that way. Slow down, slow down. You were going way too fast. Okay, stop, stop. Which way is your back end going?
This way.
Yeah. So look forward and see whether your vehicle's straight. Your vehicle's not straight, so pull ahead and get your vehicle straight. There you go. Now, nice and slow. This is all downhill, so you just need to put your foot on the brake. You don't need to use any throttle. Just control the brake and it'll go nice and slow. Slow down, slow down. Okay, now just pause, stop the vehicle, look forward. Are you straight?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent, then continue. Yeah, you can do that. You can put your hand on the seat there if that's more comfortable. Okay, again, pause, look forward. You straight? Looks good. Pause, pause, pause. Where's your back end going?
Here a little bit.
Yeah, so you need to get over that way. Slow, 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 slow. Stop, 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 stop. Where's your back end going?
This way.
Yeah, you need to get over. See, look, stop. See, look forward. Where are you in relation to the lane? You're over on your side, right? Yeah, so maybe just pull ahead, get centered before you head out onto the road here behind us. get you back in that way. You're pointed the wrong direction. You're heading in this direction.
This direction?
No, this direction.
Oh, okay.
So you need to get, yeah, you need to get straightened out.
Okay.
So go ahead and straighten out again. Now, the reason your back end's going that way is because your steering wheel's turned. Stop. Let's just wait for the car here. So you can go out around there.
Okay.
And watch that pole there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice and easy. And we go.
Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.